Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can create the DB parameter groups and how we can assign that DB parameter group to your DB instance. After created your DB instance, you need to change from default parameter group to custom parameter group. You can't change any parameter values if you are using default parameter groups. To create a new parameter group, in the navigation pane, choose parameter groups. In this page, choose create a parameter group. In the create parameter group page, in the parameter group family, you need to select the DB parameter group family. Here, I created a tool version database, so I'm selecting the Postgres tool. In the group name box, enter the name of the new DB parameter group. You need to type the descriptions, then choose create. Now parameter group has been created. After created parameter group, you need to associate this parameter group to your DB instance.